Hey guys, welcome back to Outkick Cars. Today we got ourselves a Primal Clash pack that we're going to be opening right now, right here on the channel. Let's see if we can't pull a Mega Gardevoir. That'd be super cool. I'd love to pull a Mega Gardevoir. Hey, come on out. Okay. First card is a Torchic. Next is a Meryl. Surskit. Zigzagoon. Trico. Cool artwork. Reverse Drillbur. A Hollow. Widescreen Swampert, which is a super cool card. Kakuna. Escape Rope. Silo. And the code for you guys. Whoever gets that code, comment down below what you get. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, of course.